Here's a 1968 Chevrolet C10 custom built pickup. As you can see, it's got the chopped top. Underneath the hood is a fresh 283 Chevrolet V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Also power steering underneath there. Truck runs and drives well. Newer interior to it. Cloth bench. Shifter on the floor. Some aftermarket gauges. Otherwise the dash is pretty much its stock form. Keg is the gas tank in the back. Custom rear window with the Chevy logo. Wood bed in it. Nice stainless. The box has been shortened. It's kind of got that Pikes Peak Hill Runner look to it. Exhaust exiting the side. Custom tail lights, rear end. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures, interior pics under the hood, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up for you so you can hear it run too. As you can see, the door handles are shaved. There's a mechanical release underneath the door and on the inside. I'm going to reach down here and pop the door. So no poppers, it is a mechanical release. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And here it's got a nice little rumble to it. Again, fresh 283 underneath the hood. Fires right up. Kind of a stock looking dash with a couple aftermarket gauges there, oil pressure, volts, and water temp. Aftermarket stereo added underneath there. See, the interior is finished off quite nicely. Headliner, and well, they got that Chevy logo for the rear window. Nice little rumble to it. Again, check out the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com, 1968 C10 chopped custom pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.